Hi guys, this is GistupdateTV. Please subscribe for more videos. Hi guys, today I'll be sharing 4 video clips with you. The first one is about the interment of Prophet TB Joshua laid to rest today. The second one is about the candle night of Obama of DMW held today. And the third one is about the question Nicki putting to Lilwayne for his best sex position. The fourth one is about the flood in New York City, so that we know that it is not only in Lagos that this could happen. Please comment at any video that makes your day. Thanks.
Family, the pouring of the sun. 3 times. Earth to earth, ashes to ashes, and dust to dust. Earth to earth, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Earth to earth, ashes to ashes, and dust to dust.
My Obama 110 is angel and like this. But Obama, I see an angel. Not you. I got give also. I got take him. You get why also. So not too busy now. Madam, I greet you. Inshallah, I know he's in a better place right now. We are not happy with what is happening now, but we have no choice. God knows best. So I just believe, and I want one of us to just carry on his legacy. I've never been fortunate to meet one-on-one.
Okay. Okay.
What is your favorite position?
On top. And like in any part of life, period. It's not just the bedroom, just on top.
I be forgetting he's so fucking smart, and then it's always a double entendre and a triple entendre.
Nah,
But
not to explain. When you're on top, you know the sound won't mess you up now, Nicki. So when you're
my husband. No, but can I say what I wanted to say?
top, listen. When you're on top, you just lay it out. You just tell her, don't stop moving, stop all that humping back, stop that.
Why?
Yeah.
But when it start feeling mad good, you gotta hunt back. And first of all, no, wait. Before you finish this is important, ladies.
Listen.
Wait, hold on. Let me say this first, Wayne, and you tell me how you feel as a guy. If the girl legs can't go all the way up like that, to where the nigga could, suck your toes while he on top, then you ain't doing it right.
Okay, well, I'm not into that.
Uh,
I don't know about the toes.
so you don't even want the bitch humping back.
If that's where we at in at the time, but I like the woman to just lay down and look up and look at me and be like, and just to see the power that she have over me at such a moment. I just, I mean, so a woman could be like, so damn, I'm just laying, I ain't humping back, I ain't doing nothing, and you feeling like this, I'm a powerful motherfucker. That's all. I just like a woman to know the power she have, possess. So,
Okay.
yeah. Anyway, but before we go, I gotta, my people want to holler at you. Hold up.